The bathroom is the smallest living space in the family and is not usually invested properly. Meanwhile, this is the highest functional space in your living space. Everyone can find comfort after a day of study and hard work from this space. That's why a bathroom always needs to be invested properly. A clean bathroom space is not enough. You need to have a plan to improve the quality of the bathroom space as well as improve the quality of life of the family. The first thing to consider is the layout of the room, the design of the floor wall. Furniture items and accessories are also indispensable. How do you choose? The suggestions below will tell you that.